Hello friends, welcome back to Momentum Stocks. In this video, we are going to discuss about Nifty, Banknifty, and I'm going to give you one stock for buy and one stock for sell for 16th of Feb, friends. That is Thursday, expiry. The previous when we gave Britannia for a buy, we noticed a kind of a double bottom pattern here, but there was no entry triggered at this double bottom. But stock gap down continuously moved downwards, friends. Finally here there was a double bottom and a breakout followed by retest. Here if someone bought it, straight to the target, but we will consider that entry was not triggered. Now what do we see is, if there is a Fibo drawn from recent bottom to top, it has taken rejection at 38.2 levels and it is continuing its upward momentum. What can we do now? We can go ahead and set for this trend line break. Eventually that will be even this trend line break. Okay, it will be a break of this trend line also, and an upward momentum followed by this target. Coming to our sellers, Tata Consumer, first candle itself straight down, friends. This could be our target met, followed by upward momentum. It nicely made a kind of a XABCD pattern here and continued its journey upwards. There was a clear trend line break here and then upward momentum. Coming to Nifty, Banknifty, Nifty and Banknifty performed as we expected them to perform, friends. See, gap down, and I told you that go ahead and buy at 38.2 levels. This levels straight upwards, friends. Okay, the options doubled straight, call options doubled here. Coming to Banknifty, similar story. We discussed about three things here. First thing is, in case it is going up from here itself in the morning, we can go ahead and create buy positions. Second thing I told us, at this level we can create buy positions, and best place to buy I told you was 38.2 levels, friends. See, anyone who made a buy at 38.2 levels, here calls doubled, friends. Okay, this is your exact 38.2 levels. From here, call straight doubled. You also saw a clear breakout at this level. Any buy at this breakout would also have doubled your calls. So that's how powerful Fibonacci is, friends. And for such wonderful analysis, I think you should definitely hit that like button. Also share it with your friend members, basically anyone who is looking forward to make money from stock market. Coming to the analysis now, we will just extend this Fibo till here, and in case of Nifty, we'll extend it till here. Now, two things, friends. See, for Nifty, this is the top. This is where the next resistance zone is. This is where there is a big seller who's been sitting, who made it go down till here. Again it came here. This big seller got it down again. And this is not a small rally, friends. This was a very big rally that it went in one day. Similar is the case with Bank Nifty, but here that level is little on top here, somewhere here. So it is not so close. It is some 200, 300, 400 points up from here. And again the same story. There is a big seller sitting there who will make it go down. Now what do? We can expect two things. If we are creating buy positions, see, our points are break of this candle, first resistance, which is here. Best place to enter would be somewhere here or here, 50%. So this could be your best place to enter. Now, in case of Nifty, there are two things that can happen. It can go ahead and at this levels, okay, we are talking about 42,200 and 300, somewhere between there, and I'm talking about future levels. If you see a kind of a double top pattern here, what would you do? We would go ahead and sell, and I think we should not be doing that for a simple reason that it will prove you people wrong. Why? Because it will go ahead and continue downwards for some time and then go ahead and give a breakout and go upwards, friends. So let it go ahead and prove that it is weak. Let it cross this level. That is only when we would go ahead and enter for a sell position. This double bottom is not meant for our sell, friends. Just keeping you updated on that. So we feel that after one attempts, there is a high possibility of it to break that levels and continue its momentum upwards. Okay. See, this was this zone itself. If I draw it as a zone, you'll notice that this zone was a danger zone for a very good time. So whenever it was coming till here, it was taking upward rejection. Finally, it broke that zone, retested and went down. So now when it's coming there, it is taking rejection. So after this, it went ahead and created a zone here itself, a smaller zone. Okay, whenever it is coming till here, it is taking rejection. But is the rejection so big? The answer is no. The rejection is this much, this time a little high. Now with this momentum, when it is going upwards, okay, it has already hovered this area multiple times. Now it has gone ahead and given a breakout. So as soon as this zone crosses, it can go ahead and attempt to break the zone one or two times, then finally break it. Will it happen tomorrow? We cannot guarantee because tomorrow is an expiry. That is when big momentums like this one can actually happen. So one has to be very ready with that, friends. I hope you understood the logic behind what I am talking here, and how I hope you understood how to be trading for tomorrow's expiry. What is the safest place to way to trade? Go ahead and sell the options here, put options at this levels. Okay, and you will definitely make money, friends. If you are selling this put option or this put option, your money, even if the money is small, definite profit is there. But buying calls little risky. Okay, just keep that in mind because the time decay will be very high. So even if you are right, it goes ahead and hits this level, but if it hovers there, you will keep losing premium. Keep that in mind for tomorrow's trading session. Coming to our stock of the day, I am choosing for a buy, friends. The reason is simple. We have seen from Fibo, from the recent bottom to the top, it went ahead and came till almost the 38.2 levels and upward momentum. This was a very good momentum, followed by sustaining that area. Then it also touched the top, friends, almost the top. So best part is it did not touch it and come down again. It maintained that levels for good amount of time. So what we can do is we can create buy positions with small stop loss here, because if in case it falls from here, the fall is very good. How much would be the fall? We can go ahead and with the look for options like this. So this or this would be the best place to buy, but I doubt we'll get it till there. So if you see a fall and this trend line breaking, then you can create sell positions for this area and this area, which is 375 and 373. But I suggest you to go ahead and create buy positions here with a small stop loss, probably here below this area. If it comes below this area, we would take an exit and try to enter at this or this area, friends. That's how we would be trading ITC. So the sell stock for the day, I'm choosing BPCL for a sell. Simple reasons, friends. We see a double top pattern and a fall. Again, it has come to test the same area. Okay. Now here, what do we see? We see kind of a 1, 2 and triple bottom. Now, if in case if it crosses this area here in the morning, then we would go ahead and ignore it until this particular resistance, and that's where we can choose it for a sell. Now what we'll do is we can also create a Fibo here with the recent top to bottom. Okay, now 50% levels is what we'll see. So that's the reason I marked this level, friends. We are at exact 38.2 levels where the rejections have multiple times. So from here, if it starts falling, we can go ahead and wait for this trend line to break. Where is the trend line? This trend line. and then we can expect this bottom as the target, friends. Hope you understood the logic as to how we are going to trade on BPCL. And if you have still not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe, hit that bell icon so that you would not be missing out on any video, friends. Thanks for watching and wish you a profitable expiry.